How to use Allstate Drivewise app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to use Allstate Drivewise app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Allstate Mobile. Download and install the Allstate mobile app, which includes Drivewise. Open the app and sign in with your Allstate account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by providing the necessary details like your policy number, name, and contact information. Once logged in, navigate to the Drivewise section within the app. Follow the prompts to enroll in the program. This might involve agreeing to terms and conditions and granting necessary permissions like location access. The app requires access to your phone's location and motion sensors to track your driving habits. Ensure these permissions are enabled in your phone's settings. The DriveWise app will automatically start tracking your driving habits once you begin driving. It monitors factors like speed, braking, acceleration, and time of day. You don't need to manually start or stop tracking, it's all done automatically. So that's how to use Allstate DriveWise app. That's all for this video.